What's up guys, Steve here again from RC Tanks and Trucks 24/7. Now, you would have seen me put this awesome little Toyan motor together. That was a quite long video, it went for around about 30 minutes or so, but to give you a good in-depth overview on how to put it together and how these basically work. But in this video, it's going to be a quick one. I just want to show you what you need to get this guy running. Okay, so when you put it together, you're going to end up with this. It looks beautiful, it's a nice paperweight, but it doesn't actually do anything. Things spin, it has your 3 wires there for your brushless motor, but you can't actually do anything with it. But good news, all the parts you need, there isn't many actually, to get it running. So first up, you would need a fuel tank, fuel line, a glow plug. This one is a Type F for 4-stroke engines. Now this one is really important, and this is the newer style. It's nice and compact actually compared to some of the older ones I've seen. So basically it's got everything you need for electronics. It's got your brushless wires here for your starter motor, button there for starting it on and off. It's easy. Once it starts, you just let go. It's got your earth just there, and also your glow plug there, sits it right in there, and it's got it spring loaded, so once you put it on there, snap it down and it locks on. And also a Dean's plug connector for your 2S battery, and that is it. So all that kind of stuff is what you need to get this guy running. Obviously you would need a bench or something to, you know, make it stationary so it doesn't wobble around. You can also use something like this. Now, you've seen a video on this, check it out on my channel, but this is a nice stand. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to use this fuel tank here for this purpose. I'm going to use this fuel tank and this stand, take this motor off, put this one on, and then we can start it and see how it runs. Now, I'm not going to do a full-on video putting everything together. You would have seen that before, so I'll get this on there and I'll show you how it looks. Took the old motor off the stand. As you can see, that's the old one. It's got this exhaust tubing, which you've got to put at the front here of the motor, and I haven't done that yet. It just goes there. It's simple. It's a basic fuel tubing, and it just expels the oil that gets used up from the fuel. That's about it. Now, forgot to mention, very important, when you get these motors, obviously you put them together and they are dry. You need to put this grease up on the cams up there. It's easy to just take off that little lid, but that's about it. You would have saw another video of mine with that. So everything is ready, buttoned into place, starters all connected. You have the glow plug there, and also your earth there as well. Also have the little throttle set up. Now, one thing you need to add is just a little throttle linkage just there, so you're good to go. Now that's it. Now I would add some 20% nitro, get it going, and see in a bit. All right, everything is plugged up, ready to go. 2S LiPo plugged in. It's just hanging out here for the moment. I actually undid the exhaust tip here because the holes were pointing inwards, not outwards like this, but apart from that, it is ready to go. So to prime it, you just put your finger over the carburetor. There you go there. You can obviously adjust how rich or how lean you have it with this main needle, and also your idle screw. Just there. So it's running really rich, obviously. This is just first started. That's why you see a lot of smoke and fuel coming out there, but apart from that, pretty cool, eh? You would have seen many of these videos, but there you go. Runs really nice. Putting along. Pretty cool. And that's why you need that tubing from the old one. That's the exhaust, sorry, the oil, just the oil tube. Just there. Apart from that, that's all it is. Runs nice though. I like getting it, trying to idle as slow as I can possibly be. Cool, eh? I love these motors. It's so good. You don't need that plugged in, obviously. Once it's started, but it's normally underneath the bottom there, so. How cool is that, huh? So links in the description, guys, if you want to go check them out. They are really cool. Great little motors, and you can put them in a variety of things. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. All the parts I need are in the description or in the title, so go check it out. Hope you enjoyed the video. Any questions, please leave them down below. And also, if you like the video, give it a good old thumbs up. If you haven't, please subscribe. Appreciate it. And quick video. Now I've got to figure out where I'm going to put this one in. Cheers guys.